Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, I got a Dexter knife to make, but I'm not gonna go through the whole process. If you watched that last video, well, I don't even know if it's the last video now. But if you watch this video, which I'll put right here, explains I'm not really doing tutorials anymore. Maybe in a month or so I'll do a tutorial, but I'm just gonna try to take you through and maybe, day by day, couple days, every other day. You guys will figure it out before I do. Man, this is gonna be a whole new thing for me, so yeah. I got everything glued up. Like, see, I usually set up the cameras to show you how I glued everything up and do all that stuff, and I got the handles. I got some two-tone G10, so I gotta cut the handles out for these. I even wrote like gray and blue, so I know which one. Oh, I'm all flustered. I can't even speak. Yeah, so I know which one is which. I got some snake wood here, but I'll do that when I get to the part where I'm drilling holes. I'll just put these on and shape them, and then to the grinders, I guess. I don't know. So I'll probably show cutting all this stuff out and probably grinding it, and maybe it'll just be a fast thing, and then I'll start recording tomorrow and see what we do there. It'll just be little parts of the day, I guess, man. Let me know in the comments what I should do. I'm in open waters here. I don't know. All right, to the bandsaw. I did all the other ones. I got the Dexter knife to drill, but I remember I gotta tap one side of that, so I'm gonna wait for that. But I'm just doing one side, and then put them together like I always do, and yeah, back to high speed. Gotta get a little talking in here and there, right? Next day, man, it was fun editing this morning. Quick though. Put what, 3-4 hours of work down in 3 minutes, 4 minutes? Let me know in the comments if you like this format. It's just me doing the same thing, only faster, I guess, and not talking as much. Alright, I got everything cut and on pivots. I got my flat platen set up here because we can do all the edges, all the long parts. Then I'll put the small wheel on. If you watched any of the last videos of the last build, I gotta take about a 1/4 inch off here to about an 1/8 inch right there. So it'll be a lot easier to do it like that. Now we don't have to worry about hitting this. This moves around so I can get the Dexter knife and come in here too. So yeah, let's do it. I almost forgot how to do this. See, I take bolts, and I put bolts under the screws. That way it holds it up. That way it's all together, and I can clean this all up, and get it all together good and smooth and all that. And yeah, man. This isn't a tutorial. This is just showing you how smart I am. All right, let's get back to it. Oh, and I got this to clean up too, so. Die. Next day, I gotta get these all marked out, cause man, this ironwood and the snake wood, I swear they're harder than steel. So I'm gonna go back and cut these on the bandsaw. I got this one marked, like that, but then I'm gonna mark the outside. Oh, I already marked the outside of this one. So it's like this. But the reason you might say, well, why are you marking the inside if you're marking the outside? But I want to make sure both insides are cut right. Then when I put it together, I don't have to worry. And I'm only taking that little bit off right there. All right, I'm gonna skip the bandsaw, set up, and meet you at the grinder again. The Dexter knife is almost ready for heat treat. I got little parts in here I gotta file out and smooth out, but yeah, man. Whew. All right, it's actually the next night. It took me so long to get these all shaped out and cut out and all that. By that time, it was time to eat, and I didn't feel like setting up cameras. I already did this one. I'm gonna do Anzos on these small ones, hopefully tonight, but maybe not. So I gotta get in here. Man, this ironwood, I thought the snake wood was bad. This is straight up smells like shit. I mean, I came down here tonight after letting the window open, and I was like, man, is our toilet, I mean, blue ironwood is bad. Snake wood, man, these are both like harder than steel, and this stinks, but man, straight up. Let me get this Dexter knife, because this only has a little bit, and then I gotta put the real small wheel and get in here and here. But, so we'll just do this first, and then, it's Sunday night. I took Friday and Saturday off because I colored in my tattoo. I'll put a little glimpse of it right here, but I plan on doing another video where I'll show it all in depth. It's all purple and orange and stuff like that on purpose with blue highlights. Man, I'll tell you what, this knife is cursed. Look at this. I just had to epoxy up another set of handles. This one's good, but both of these popped through because I decided to put some G10 on there, because I look back at old videos, man, it's been so long since I've done handles, like I forgot. I went to countersink this one, and it pulled right through. So I did it like this. I put it on the handle. When the drill bit hit the blade, it pulled it right out of my hand. Luckily I had to stop, but it still knocked my fingers up. So we'll put this on hold, but that's what I'm gonna do, just clean up in here and then hopefully get to the Bandsaw. Let me know in the comments if I should keep doing this. I plan on doing like a full tutorial, because I went back through all my playlists and I don't like how I look in all my old videos, so I'm gonna make a new playlist of a full tutorial, like, you know, from start to finish, but that'll probably be after I do the Dexter knife and all that. I got these. I want to get them as close as possible, because Tuesday I want to do heat treating on that Dexter knife and all that. All right. Good Lord. I'm stuck on drill mode. Time to get this cleaned up and then hopefully Bandsaw. So that's about it. Man, that disc grinder is so much faster, but man, did you see everything? It took me an hour to clean this place up. It's actually the next morning, Monday, so ending this and starting on a new one, and yeah, make sure to tell me what you think about these, like, it's basically my whole week in knife making, just cut down to 10 to 15 minutes, so do you like this, or do you like the tutorials more? Here's that handle all dried out, so I gotta get on that and shape it. Look, this is all still covered because I had it oiled down, so that came out real nice. And, oh, let me know, black screws or silver screws? I'm kind of leaning towards black, but it blends in with the contrast, and this silver kind of matches this. So, yeah, let me know all that stuff in the comments. Just leave 10 comments for each question. Alright, that's about it. Time to go on my 3-mile walk and keep getting healthy. That's why I said last night I want to reshoot all my videos, because, you know, if you didn't know, like all my other videos I didn't have teeth. I had these teeth in 2012. I just took a Dremel and fixed them. So now I got teeth, I got muscles, and I'm skinny. I'm not fat anymore. Get back and watch the old videos. I'm real fat. And no teeth and all busted looking. Alright, I'm rambling. Gotta get my rambles in somewhere. So make sure to hit the bell, subscribe, leave comments, all that stuff. I'll put the playlist right here so you can see how fat and busted I was. The full guide to knife making, and my website's right here. Alright, hope all is well, and as always, take it easy.